Good weekend all. Ira Epstein of Linn & Associates with your metal market wrap-up, your weekend edition for this Sunday, and we are now at the 23rd of May, 2021. I'm hoping that this Wednesday, I will know tomorrow, and everybody will get an email, I'm going to begin my new program, What's Up? And the idea there is to talk about what's happening in the market, what's up with that market. You'll ask the questions, I'll answer them, a lightning session, 15 or so minutes long, and then it ends. So you got to be in on time, you throw your parts out, I'll bring up the charts, we'll see how it goes. And if we have really good response, I might do these a couple of times a week. So we'll see what happens, because I think it's a great way to involve you with what I see in the marketplace if you're interested in that. So look for information on that. I should have the emails and all out tomorrow. And everybody can attend. So now, as you're looking at the marketplace, mixed day in the stock market on Friday. Metal's a bit lower, but the last trades in gold were back up into the 1280 area as the market had finished up on Friday. I was looking at that. So if we take a look at gold on a monthly basis, it's only up $109. That's a lot. It's up 6.17%. So gold came alive. Now, in all fairness, folks, understand something. It was down this week, 0.87. That's the week of March 31st. These are months. Remember that, not weeks. Down 6.41% in February, and down in January for 2.52. So 2.52, 6.8, let's call that 9%, and another near 10%. And you finally have come back over the past 2 months about that amount. That's the point that I'm making. The market from this area right here has made back some. Now, it's still well off the highs, but at least you have momentum pointing to the upside. When you come onto the weekly close charts, you've been doing better, but if monthly's there, you know you're going to be there on the weekly, up 2%, up 0.37, that's 2.5. Then you add back 3.6, so you're at what, 9%, and right here you were down a half. So you've come back up the same way. The bias is up, the monthly chart coming up too. When we look at a weekly bar chart, I want to apply now the swing line study to it. It's in a bull trend. You have higher lows, higher highs. You'd have to take out 1750, 460 to break that pattern. When you look at where the market's at, it's over the 18-week moving average of closes, so the bias is up. The 100-week average is in green, the 200. So where's the resistance? It's going to be the upper Bollinger Band, and you hit it. So that's where I'm expecting this market to have problems. At the 1886 level, I was very fortunate this week. My traders that follow my morning subscriber and video and my written all got long the gold, and it turned out to be a pretty darn good week. And you can imagine I was looking at that resistance area, and it all came into play. They don't always work out that way. I have losing trades too, you can count on. It's very balanced. But overall, you know what I'm trying to do. Make more than you lose. Nobody walks on water. If you think that's the case, go find them. Higher lows, higher highs, into resistance, overbought, gold-silver ratio, flirting now with gold getting stronger than gold on a week, gold getting stronger than silver on a weekly basis. Silver ran into its upper Bollinger Band the week before and this week. Totally expected. If you haven't taken my enhanced Bollinger Band course, you want to do it. It is not meant for those of you that don't know what Bollinger Bands are. That's our regular charting course, and I really teach it in detail. But to get your doctorate degree, as I want to call it, your grad degree, you want to take this course. I've priced it very affordable, and you're going to see things I've never seen anyone teach. If I had to just base my trading technique on one thing, this would be it. So is that a strong enough statement? If I had to do that. I like what I'm seeing there, but that is the resistance zone. In the copper market, you're up against the upper resistance. Looking at the marketplace, are you getting your embedded reading, and do you have it again? So let's go here. Both numbers were not over 80 on April 30th. They were on May 7th. They were on, where's the 14th? May 7th? I don't know where the 14th went. That's sort of strange. Huh. I'll write the developers. We're missing a week there. I want to know where that week is, right? We should have the 14th. right through here. Friday, May 21st. I think we should have been ending something on the 14th. I'm going to call them and find out what's going on there. Let's make sure here. 21st, 14th. I'm right. There is something missing on that chart, okay? I watch. I know. I know these charts. In my sleep, I pretty well know these charts. You're back under, in this market, the 18-week average. You've got a higher high, higher lows, but momentum is pointing down. Not the best chart. Dollar index, if it wants to finish off a decline area, I think this 89.40 zone could be it. The market is oversold. It's a past support zone here as well. Should you be able to successfully breach that and keep going, well then maybe the 8,800 area. If the market bounces from here, resistance back at the 91.18. So I put it all together, try to come up with a game plan. I'll find out what's going on in that copper market because something isn't right there. And I put this all together in the morning as well. Now in the morning at 5:40 a.m. Central Time. I live in Chicago, so it's all Central Time. As I look at the markets, I first start off the day by telling you what's going on in Asia, Europe, and what reports are coming out in the morning in the U.S. The next thing I do is I'm going to lead you through what I see on the charts in both a short term, a swing trade, and longer term action. On the weekends, I devote a video just to weekend to week charts. So that gives you an idea for the longer term play. But when I see something, I balance it, so you'll see those in there. You can watch it on phones, you can watch it on tablets, PCs. As I said, I'm going to cover the news for you, and I'm going to cover it with all these markets in the same way each and every time. There'll be a scroll bar if you go to our website to watch it on the chart, and you can, in that chart, as you're scrolling, it'll tell you if you go to metals, it'll light up in big letters, you're in the metal area, so you can go where you want. I save you time. Why? Each video is not short. I'm not putting out a 2-minute video for you. These are 17 to 25 minutes long on average. I will harp on something that I think is important. I will teach as I'm going with it, and I'm going to make specific as heck recommendations to you, and I'll stand by them. Win, lose, draw. I don't say, oh, well, you didn't do this. No, it's there, and I hope you appreciate that. The one thing I get all the time is, my God, you're honest, you talk about it, you teach it in that way. It has helped or it hasn't helped. I would say it's 99% that people think I'm helping in some manner. But whatever that manner is, that's up for you. $7.95 for 30 days, no contract. If you want to go for a 1-year contract, we discount. Instead of you paying $15, you're going to get a big discount on that. You buy it all up front. It goes to $15 after the 30 days. It's not month to month. It's every 30 days. Our computers keep that up. And you get with that the free phone app, normally $40 or $45 a month, access to my special reports for free. I'm going to be holding, as I said, that What's Up. That's coming now, and you'll be able to come into that as well. So how do you get all this? Just go to our website, go under the word research, it's there. As I talked about our charting softwares, you might want to look there under education and to the courses that I have, but the website's got it all. Our website isn't meant to give information other than a catalog. In our charts are where I put everything. That's where it belongs, not on the general website, other than the videos and the written commentaries. That's where those belong. I'm Ira. You have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.